Good morning. Hello, good morning. What is up, guys? Today we are going to be making a healthier fall snack slash dessert. It looks so good, so I'm really excited about it. And then I'm also going to be showing you guys my current favorite arm workout that I've been loving, as well as do a little Bath and Body Works fall haul of some things that I got. So we got a lot going on today. Definitely stick around so you don't miss anything. It is a beautiful Monday, so let's have a great day. And actually, before we get into today's video, I wanted to do like a quote of the day. I think I'm gonna start doing this just because you guys know that I love quotes. So it is that you don't need to have all the answers to start. You just have to be willing to take the first step. So ponder that today. Alright, I just finished up my ab workout of the day. It was seriously so hard. I thought I was going to quit because my abs are just on fire, and I've been doing this workout like the past few days, so they're just like really sore now, but we pulled through. So you know, I'm proud of myself. Now we are going to move on to our arm workout. I really wanted to show this to you guys because it is killer. It makes your arms burn so much, and this isn't necessarily to get stronger. I'm just trying to get a little more definition here. So if that is your goal as well, then you should definitely try out this workout. And also, what's great about this workout is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. You don't need any weights for this, so I just feel like it's really convenient. You can literally do this workout anywhere. So let's get this over with. Our arms are gonna be on fire.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
Okay, I'm realizing this workout is longer than I thought, so I will have the full workout linked in the description for you guys. I highly recommend that you try it out because it is very challenging, and I just feel like it's a really great arm workout. Just got ready for the day. Here's a little OOTD. I'm gonna make some lunch right now. It's like 2 o'clock, and I'm actually gonna film a TikTok really quick. If you guys aren't following me on there, you definitely should. I post very similar content to what I post on here. Guys, I've been obsessed with this soup from Trader Joe's. I've been having it so much. This is like almost gone. I'm gonna have this again for lunch, but it just has all the fall flavors that you want. I highly recommend it. So we got ourselves a little soup and sandwich situation here. I'm also going to be watching a podcast. I've been loving the Jay Shetty On Purpose podcast on YouTube. I think it's probably on Spotify too, but I watch it on here because I like the visuals. But he has really great like celebrities on here and just like inspiring people. So I learn a lot from it. All right, it is now time for my favorite part of today's video, and that is making a yummy, healthier fall dessert. These are s'mores cookie cups. I am obsessed with s'mores, okay? If you don't know that, I am obsessed. Give me everything that is s'mores flavored. I will be super happy. Also, is it just me, or is this look giving rich mom with 2 little boys who play soccer vibes? Am I wrong? Anyway, here is the ingredient list for this recipe. So we have some mini chocolate chips, some baking powder, vanilla extract, we got some maple syrup, some almond butter, some unsweetened applesauce. We also have some mini marshmallows, some graham crackers, and I believe that is it. Actually, nope, some salt. I just combined all of the wet ingredients. So that was almond butter, 1 egg, I totally forgot about the egg, and then applesauce, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. We're now gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna pop the dough in the fridge for 10 minutes just so it's not so sticky and we can roll it into balls easier. Turn out correctly. Guys, this was a success. They actually turned out so good. They're a little messy on the edges, but overall they look amazing. I can't wait to try one. Okay, Ari and I just tried one off camera and they are so freaking good. They're not too sweet. I actually didn't add like the full amount of chocolate chips just because I felt like it was way too much and I didn't want them to be too sweet because that always ruins a dessert. I definitely could have gotten away with adding a few more chocolate chips on some of them and maybe a couple more marshmallows, but overall they turned out so delicious and I'm really happy about it. About to chill for a little and play this Switch game that I just recently got obsessed with. It's a cooking game. It is so much fun. So as I mentioned earlier, I bought a bunch of stuff from Bath & Body Works, which I'm really excited about. I love shopping there during the fall season. That's typically when I do because Bath & Body is not the cheapest place to shop. So I usually just go a little crazy during the fall season. So I did get some hand soaps and some candles. So I thought I would do a little haul, show you guys what I got. Also, this view behind me, are you kidding me? It looks absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. So anyway, starting off with the candles because I feel like that's like the best part. So of course I had to get two of my all-time favorite candles ever. I get them every year and they are the Marshmallow Fireside ones. They literally smell exactly like the name. Like they smell like a sweet campfire and I could literally smell this all day long. I have almost burned through my first one. I've only had it like maybe a week, which is pretty horrible. No, I haven't burned through it. Okay, it's only like halfway. Still. Side note, I straightened my hair earlier and look how wavy these like front pieces are. Like why does it do this? Is it my hair straightener or does my hair just not like stay straight? Why? Now the next candle that I got, I forgot to mention, I did the buy two get two free, so I got 4 candles, and this next one is my new obsession. I didn't think I could find one that I loved as much as I love the Marshmallow Fireside one until this one. So this is the scent Strawberry Pound Cake. It smells absolutely incredible. It's like a strawberry dream. I'm obsessed. And the last candle that I got is in the scent Mahogany Teakwood. I actually had Ari pick this one out because I already picked out the other 3, so I was like, you can just skip the last one. And he picked more of a masculine scent. This one kind of smells like cologne, I would say. It's not really a fall scent, but it smells good. I didn't really care because I had the candles that I loved, so I was like, whatever, I don't really care. It doesn't smell bad. It's just not like one that I would personally like choose to burn. Now moving on to the soaps that I got. So this was a 4 for $20 deal and the first scent that I got is Pumpkin Apple. Unfortunately, only smelled one of them so far, so hopefully the rest turn out good. But these are their foaming hand soaps. These are my favorite in their collection. They also have like gel soaps, but I really like the foaming ones because they're super moisturizing and the scent really lingers on your hands after. So that's the first one. And then we also have, this one is Leaves. It's kind of a different packaging. Has like leaves on it. These all had really good reviews, so I'm hoping they live up to that. But the next one that I got is in the scent Crisp Morning Air. Come on, bro. And then the final scent that I got is Champagne Apple and Honey. I actually have been using this one in my bathroom and it does smell really good. It's not like my favorite scent, but it does smell good. So yeah. Also, I was trying to get free shipping here, so I added this little pack of hand sanitizers, and I really thought I would like them because they had really good reviews. But for some reason, it's just kind of a weird scent. It's sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and I thought because I like sweet smells, like there's no way I'm not gonna like it, but it's just like kind of a weird smell. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just a little weird. But I still use them because they're cute and they're hand sanitizer, so I just keep one in my purse at all times. I made such a random dinner tonight, but it was so good. I actually tried out a recipe for crispy air fried tofu, and it was so yummy. So I will definitely be making that again. I'm currently making some hot lemon water. I've been really liking having that like right after dinner just to help with digestion, and I feel like it just like calms me down before bed. So it's just like really soothing and nice. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a really great time vlogging today. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe for more if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.